In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Chase debit card for Apple Pay. First, open your Chase mobile banking app on your iPhone. Enter your username and password and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the home page. Here you'll see different sections for your accounts and cards. Now, locate your debit card from the list of cards shown on the screen. Tap on your debit card, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can view details like your balance, recent transactions, and card settings. On this page, scroll down until you see the option called Digital Wallets. Go ahead and tap on Digital Wallets. This will bring up the different wallets that Chase allows you to connect with, such as Google Pay, Apple Pay, and PayPal. Since we want to verify the card for Apple Pay, tap on Apple Pay at the top. Now you'll see a list of cards that are available to link with Apple Pay. Simply select your Chase debit card from the list. After tapping on it, the app will automatically redirect you into your Apple Wallet. Here, you'll see your Chase debit card appearing inside the wallet. Follow the prompts on the screen to finish the setup. Usually, Apple Wallet will ask you to verify the card, and for Chase cards, this can often be done instantly through the Chase app. In some cases, you may also be asked to confirm your identity through a text message, a phone call, or even by logging into your Chase account again. Just follow whichever verification method is presented to you on the screen. Once you complete the verification, your Chase debit card will show as active and ready to use in Apple Pay. You'll now be able to make purchases in stores, online, or in apps simply by using Apple Pay with your Chase debit card. And that's it. You've successfully verified your Chase debit card for Apple Pay. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.